Good morning, student. Now, today is the same topic, hyperbola. Yesterday I have discussed there are two forms of the hyperbola. What are the standard equation of hyperbola? X square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. And is the second form, y square upon a square minus x square upon b square equals to 1. Right? The student, is the one of the hyperbola when foci on x-axis. This is first hyperbola, and this is the second hyperbola then foci on y-axis, that is the second form. It only changes second form. First form x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1, but is the second form y square upon a square minus x square upon b square equals to 1. And x square is positive first form, x square is second form. Now look here, this is hyperbola. First thing, dividing by 36. Now dividing by 36 on both the side, then 5y square upon 36 minus 9x square upon 36 equals to 1. And now write this is hyperbola y square upon 36 by 5 minus x square upon 9 4 are 36, then 4. This is second hyperbola. Why? Is x square is negative. So now then equate of second form equation of hyperbola y square upon a square minus x square upon b square equals to 1. Hyperbola का कोई भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो. First thing, now find a b c. So now equate this two equation, then a square equals to 36 upon 5. That means a equals to is a plus minus 36 का square root 6 and 5 का root 5. Now then b square equals to 4, that is a b equals to plus minus 2. First thing, now find a and b, right? ए और बी फाइंड करने के बाद नाउ सी, एलिप्स में सी का फॉर्मूला होता है सी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, बट हाइपरबोला में सी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. यू नो स्टूडेंट, ए स्क्वायर इज 36 अपॉन 5 प्लस बी स्क्वायर इज 4, देन 5 4 are 20 plus 36 56 upon 5. This is the c square, then c equals to 56 root 56 upon 5 plus minus. Right, student? Now look here, 56 then आप 2 root 14 लिख सकते हो 56 को. Now write is a plus minus 2 root 14. 14 4 15, 14 का square root 5. Now see ABC find करने के वाला. First thing, now find eccentricity. You know student, eccentricity, that is a formula E equals to C upon A. Yesterday I have discussed what are the eccentricity of circle 0, what are the eccentricity of parabola 1, what are the eccentricity of ellipse less than 1, and hyperbola is a greater than 1. So C is a 2 root 14 upon 5 and A small a is a 6 upon root 5. Right, sorry, is a root 56 upon root 5, that means this is right. So root 14 upon root 5, root 5 is root 5 cancel, 2 say this cancel, then root 14 upon 3. So now this is the eccentricity of L hyperbola as a second form. Now second thing, hyperbola की eccentricity find करने के बाद now find the coordinate of foci. The student, coordinate of foci, right? First hyperbola, that is a plus minus c comma 0. But now the second form of the hyperbola, that is the coordinate of foci, right? Is a plural word of focus, is a plus minus 0 comma 0 comma plus minus c. Then 0 comma plus minus c is 2 root 14 upon root 5. Now the third thing, then find vertices. You know student, vertices of the first form, that is a plus minus a comma 0. But now the second form 0 comma plus minus a. 0 comma plus minus a is a 6 upon root 5. Now the fourth thing, find the length of latus rectum. पैराबोला में लेंथ ऑफ लेटस रेक्टम इज अ 4a ऑल फॉर्म्स, बट हाइपरबोला में एंड इलिप्स में लेंथ ऑफ लेटस रेक्टम 2b square upon a, where 2 as it is, b square is 4 and a is 6 upon root 5. Then 2 3s are, now root 5 is 4 root 5 upon 3. This is the length of lattice rectum. Now the fifth thing is equation of directrix. You know student, equation of directrix, parabola में x equals to minus a, right? x equals to plus c, but ellipse में isn't equation of directrix x equals to plus minus a by e. But this is second form of the hyperbola. Then y equals to plus minus a by e. Y equals to plus minus a is 6 upon root 5. And e eccentricity is root 14 upon 3. Then 3 above term, 6 3 is 18 upon root 14 5. 14 5 just 70. Right. This is equation of directrix. So student, is the second form of the ellipse, right? Second thing is the length of major ellipse. There are two axes, length of major axis and length of minor axis. But now is the hyperbola is the length of transverse axis is 2a, where a is given, right? And that is 12 upon root 5. Length of conjugate axis is 2b, right? And b is a 2, that is a plus minus 4. So now look here student, length is always positive. This is first form of second form of the hyperbola. Now is another question. अभी तक 1 to 6 question में that is the equation of hyperbola is given and find all things. But now find the equation of hyperbola. And now the given is, find the equation of hyperbola. Question number 7th, 8th and 9th all are same, right? 7th, 8th, 9th. Question number 7, then vertices are given. Vertices of hyperbola is given plus minus 2 comma 0 and coordinate of foci is given plus minus 3 comma 0. इसमें अपन को मालूम है कि हाइपरबोला की फर्स्ट फॉर्म में वर्टिसेस इज प्लस माइनस a comma 0, right? And coordinate of foci is a plus minus c comma 0. तो उस अकॉर्डिंग हमारे पास में a की वैल्यू इज प्लस माइनस 2 एंड c की वैल्यू इज प्लस माइनस 3. हमारे पास a फाइंड हो गया, c फाइंड हो गया. हाइपरबोला में b फाइंड करने के लिए इज अ फॉर्मूला c स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर. एक हाइपरबोला का इक्वेशन फाइंड करने के लिए अबाउट टू थिंग्स, सेम जो इलिप्स में a और b फाइंड करना होता था. हमारे पास a गिवन है बट b इज नॉट गिवन. नाउ c इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 3 इज अ 9, a is the square of 2, that is a 4. So what are the b square? Then b square equals to square of 3, 9, square of 2, 4. 9 minus 4, that is 5. So b equals to plus minus root 5. But now this is the first form, right? So let equation of the hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. Then x square upon a square, where a square is a 2, the a square is a 4, and y square upon b square, then b square is given 5 equals to 1. This is equation of hyperbola. What is this given है, coordinate foci given है, आप a और c फाइंड कर सकते हो. a और c फाइंड करने के बाद अगर आपको b फाइंड करना है, देन अप्लाई फॉर्मूला c स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर, right? And c square equals to a square plus b square, right? So a is given, c is given, right? आप b फाइंड करो. Same question number 10 and 11 and 12 and 13, 14 all are same. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 की. Coordinate of foci is given and transverse axis of the length is 8. Question number 11th and 12th are only difference कि 11th में transverse axis, length of transverse axis are given. So first thing, question number 11, now question number 10, coordinate of foci is given plus minus 5 comma 0 and transverse axis is of length 8 यानी कि length of transfer axis, length of transverse axis is given 8, right? Find the equation of hyperbola. इसमें फर्स्ट थिंग आपको कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ फोकाई दे रखा है, दैट मीन्स c इक्वल्स टू 5 होगी. c की वैल्यू फाइंड होगी. नाउ फाइंड given is the length of transfer axis. You know, student, length of transfer axis is 2a and length of conjugate axis is 2b. तो 2a equals to 8, that is a equals to 4. आपके पास a की वैल्यू है, c is already given, foci is a plus minus 5. c given, a given. Now find the formula of c square equals to a square plus b square. Square of 5 is 25. A is square of 4 is a 16. So what are the b square? B square is equals to 25 minus 16. That is b square equals to 9. Then b equals to plus minus 3. Now look here. A आ गया, B आ गया. A की वैल्यू 4 है, B की वैल्यू 3 है. Foci plus minus c comma 0 is given. That means the first form. So let equation of the hyperbola. Then x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. Then x square upon a square is a is 4 square 16 and b is 3, square of 3 is 9 equals to 1. This is equation of hyperbola. इसमें एक बात याद रखना, हाइपरबोला की फर्स्ट फॉर्म का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है x स्क्वायर अपॉन a स्क्वायर माइनस y स्क्वायर अपॉन b स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 1. राइट. इलिप्स में हम चेक करते थे a ग्रेटर देन b, दैट इज द फर्स्ट इलिप्स, a लेस देन b, दैट इज द सेकंड इलिप्स. बट हाइपरबोला में इस तरह का कोई चेक नहीं करता. अगर फर्स्ट फॉर्म है दैट मीन्स फोकाई ऑन एक्स एक्सिस, दैट इज द फर्स्ट फॉर्म, x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. But now the second form, that is the y square upon a square minus x square upon b square equals to 1. This is foci on y axis. First form x square is positive, second form x square is negative. So there are two forms, right? But hyperbola में अगर a और b equal हो जाए, suppose a and b equal, तो that is x square minus y square equals to a square. ये किसका equation है? x square plus y square equals to a square, तो that is the standard form of the circle. लेकिन x square minus y square equals to a square, that is the equation of rectangular hyperbola, या हम ये बोल सकते हैं equilateral hyperbola. What are the equation of rectangular hyperbola? Yeah, what are the equation of rectangular hyperbola? That is the x square minus y square equals to a square. So student, please solve exercise 11.4 1 to 11 question. Thank you.